Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm outside in the woods vlogging while looking for my cat. Ow. Do this. Ah ha ha! Prickers everywhere. Ugh. Oh my god. Ow. How the fuck? Look at this shit, dude. I'm like surrounded by branches right now. Vlogging in the woods. Dangerous thing to do. And there's some really weird shit back here too. Really weird shit. Bread. That's cool. Okay. Oh, my nuts. Just cracked the branch with my nuts. Okay. Going back up the trail. Leads to a giant old cornfield. I hate this shit. I have prickers in my foot. Zoe. Oh, my chest hurts. I'm really fascinated by the woods right now. Finding all kinds of shit. What are you? You look like something from something. I don't know. So look at that. Holy shit. Tree's blue. Anyways. Yeah. Well.